Hello students. So in the last class we dealt with the heat. Okay, so we actually learned about the effects of heat, and now we'll be learning about conduction, convection and radiation, which are the three types of transfer of heat. Okay, so initially we'll start with conduction. What is meant by conduction? Okay, so conduction is actually a process of heat transfer in the solid from the region of a high temperature to the region of a low temperature. Okay, so the conduction process generally occurs in the case of a solid substance alone. Okay, for example, I'm taking a vessel filled with what? Hot water. Okay, it is actually so much hot that I am putting a steel spoon in it. Okay, and initially when I touch that steel spoon, it will not be so hot, it will be very cool only. Okay, but after some time when you touch the spoon, in its tip itself, it will be so hot. So what is the reason why the spoon becomes hot? Okay, the reason is actually that the spoon is actually like a metal. Okay, so it is actually made up of steel. So it is made up of what? Atoms being arranged very closely. It is very closely being packed. Okay, so now the energy of the water molecules in the vessel is very hot, so it have got more energy, and now that energy will be transferred in the form of the heat in between the closely arranged molecules of the atoms in the spoon. So that is the reason why when you touch the silver spoon at its tip, it becomes too hot to be touched. Okay, so conduction occurs in what? In the solid substance. Okay, this is about conduction. Now we'll start with the convection. Okay, so what is meant by a convection part? Now we'll just go through it. Okay, so when you take a vessel filled with 1 liter of water, you're putting on the steam. Okay, so initially when you touch the above surface of water, it will be very cool. Okay, but after on half an hour, if you are touching that upper surface of water, it will be very hot. So what is the reason behind this is called as what? Convection, right? So in this, what exactly happens is the water molecules present at the lower surface of the vessel will get heated up, and that thereby the atoms present at the bottom will get more energy, so it comes up. Okay, and the same time the water molecules present over the upper surface of the water will get it actually requires some energy, right? So now what happened, this will go down to the bottom of the surface. Okay, so the exchange of water molecules from up and down occurs, and thereby after half an hour when you touch, what happened, the upper surface of the water will also appear to be more hotter. Okay, so this is exactly the reason it is called what? Convection. Okay, so convection occurs in cases of liquids and gases. Fine. So next comes is about radiation. Okay, so what is meant by radiation is also a very important thing. Radiation, so I have said that conduction occurs in solid, convection occurs in liquids and gases. Then what about radiation? There is no more states to be left. So radiation actually occurs in case of atmosphere. A best example is how our earth gets the radiation of heat rays from the ultraviolet rays from the sun. Okay, so our earth is getting what is called as very heat and more hotable sort of a spray. Okay, it's called heat radiation is coming from the sun. Okay, so directly into our earth. Okay, that is called as what? Radiations. Okay, that is sun is producing heat radiations towards the earth, and the earth is able to absorb it. Okay, so this is actually the process which actually appears in our atmosphere also. Okay, for example, I'll say you about the radiation in our daily life also. Okay, so while standing near a fire, we feel that heat which is transferred as what? Radiation. Okay, so initially when you go and stand near a fire, you won't feel anything, but after a few minutes, okay, you feel that that heat is actually entering your body, or your body will get more heated. Okay, that is actually called what? Radiation. So these are very three important topics which is more important to be learned. Okay, important 3 points also, learn it as well. Then in the next session, I'll be dealing with the calorimeter questions and all, and specific gravity questions all. Okay, so please be clear with it and do the assignment, and also test questions on time, and do it sincerely and submit it. Thank you.